Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Ranger coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today we've got something super duper from Taiwan. This is Kung Fu Noodles with their premium goose oil with crispy shallot flakes. Yes. 5 minutes. 5. And yeah, I just got some great news. I am like super excited. Super duper. Yes, yes, yes. So my wife applied for a different position in the large company she works for, big healthcare company, and she got it. I'm stoked. I'm really proud of her, and I think it's super cool and rad. It's the same position, and it's just in a different area, and it's good. It's a good thing. So congratulations to the holy, lovely, wonderful kid for going for it, and I knew she was going to get it. It's funny. It's like I guess a couple years ago now it's been. Maybe. I don't know. But she got laid off from her old job, and that job was like pure hell for her. And I was like, you're always talking about when what was it she took? Health occupations in high school, and she really, really liked it. I'm like, well, maybe you should look at something in the healthcare field. And she's like, I don't know. I don't have any experience. I'm like, well, we got a urgent care just downtown. If you're applying for places, just apply there. I bet you get it. She's like, I doubt it. She got it. And then so that she worked at for a while, and then there was an opening at this other place. Some of these places have an urgent care and a primary care, so one's like basically a doctor's office, and one's a doctor's office / kind of a makeshift ER. So with the whole COVID thing, there was just constantly people coming in that were sick, I mean, logically, and just with like there's a little tiny parking lot, and people would get cranky, and I'm like, sometimes they would have her go to this other place in the next town over, and really, I mean, it's not far. I don't know exactly where it's at, but where I walked today, I think I may have to walk like 10 minutes more. I would have gotten to her new work where it's going to be. So it's really not far. It's walkable, so drivable. It's pretty close. So that's cool. Yeah, wow. I can't believe it. Ow! Pretty good stuff. I'm happy because, yeah, there's been a lot of crap that's gone on lately. So a win is a win is a win. Anyways, so yeah, I'm happy about that and excited and proud. I'm going to tell you a little about this noodle right now before it boils over. This is probably soy sauce. I'm not sure, but it's some kind of soy sauce. As I mentioned, this was a goose oil. This is really rich stuff, and it works really well with it. And this is crisp shallot flake. So that's what's going to go into this too. Taiwanese dry noodles are some of the best things I've ever had in my life, so you will be thrilled. If you can find them in the US, I know you can find lots of different dry noodle varieties in the US, and this might be one that you'll be able to find now. These are kind of spendy, I'm guessing. I don't know how much they cost, but you get 3 packs per big pack. This is the big pack. Like so. But it comes in a thing with a handle, and yeah, they're pretty big packages. It comes in a bag package thing. So. But yeah, God, I am so beat. I'm so tired. It's like I'm tempted just to say, I don't really need to do a mukbang today, but all I've had today now is a bang drink, a caffeine drink, 2 Doritos, and just a taste of the noodles from the last one, and a small piece of chashu. So I want to do this one right. We'll see how it goes. I think it'll be good. I think it'll be good. Good. Oh, but I'm tired. Man. It's Friday. I'm going to try to go out and do another 10 miles tomorrow. I'm going to go out after my wife gets home. I'll go out and I'll do some more walking. I'm trying to get 20,000 plus steps, i.e. about 10 miles in per day. So we shall see how that works out. I hope it works out well. I've been doing this since last Saturday? I think last Saturday I got a lot. Let's see. Oh, I don't need that. I'll do that at the end. So here's our noodle. Down. Well, and that makes it go further away. It's funny, I have to get used to like the logistics of some of these things still. Here's our goose oil. Rich and slippery. Here is our, I'm guessing it's just nicely brewed soy sauce. Could be wrong. This seems a little thicker. We'll see. I'm detecting some sweetness too. This is Taiwanese though, so it's not going to be like sweet soy sauce like you get from Indonesia. Almost smells like barbecue. Very nice looking noodle. Thick. This smells really freaking good, folks. I'm pretty excited. Now it's crispy shallot. I am gonna mix it in. Let me try this first. No, I'm just gonna do it. I guess the downside of her working over there, though, and if it is walkable, I can leave. If the kids are having a school day, and I can walk over there, then maybe we'll be able to have lunch. Maybe there's a little place we can have some lunch over there. That'd be cool. That's what we used to do, because she was working literally like 5 minutes from here, but I don't know. She liked working there, and then there was a lot of time when she was sick and wasn't able to go and do the whole thing. COVID really smashed our house up, let me tell you. Landed me in the ICU. By the way, I have a joke about ICUs. But landed me in the ICU and gave her like, I mean, before that, before COVID, she could eat anything she wanted. After COVID, she ended up getting all this pain. It was horrible. And now she's like strictly gluten-free. Pretty crazy. One noodle. Look at that. Yum. Alright, I'm gonna do my... Oh, but I could... Oh, it's rinse it out. Okay. Let's get this. that. I wish I had a better plate for this, but we'll see how it goes. Almost like a bowl would have worked better. Well, I haven't put anything in it yet. I still have the option. Man, I'd like to use that, but it's got a weird shape. The weird shape doesn't really work so wonderfully. I'm gonna go with my original thought. I kind of like this. Yeah. Try to get ourselves all crazy. There we go. Nice. I'm gonna put some chashu on this, which should make it quite nice pork flavor for it. What are you barking about out there? Eh? A bit of a torch. And we're gonna do some egg. Where did I put the eggs? Did I put you away? I must have. No, we're not done with you guys yet. I think I'm gonna put a softie on it. Where am I gonna put that? I think I'll put it right there. Yeah? No? Yeah? I don't know. I can't hear you. Yeah? I think so. I'm saying yeah. I gave my doctor a pack of this. He's from Taiwan. And every time I visit him, I give him some noodles. Generally Taiwanese stuff that you can't get here. And we usually chit-chat about the instant noodle world. Right now, he was like, so what's the big news in the instant noodle world? The price of flour. It's like, why is that? Ukraine, war, makes everything cost a lot. Oh, wow. Yeah. Lovely. Absolutely fantastic. The shallot gives it a nice extra flavor. The soy is nice and savory. Yeah, look at that, ladies and gentlemen. I'm excited. Boy, oh boy. Enjoy. All right, well, thanks for watching, and as promised, the next one you're going to see will be indeed a mukbang. Bring this over here. The next one, ladies and gentlemen, from Malaysia, developed in South Korea, manufactured in Malaysia. This is Dai Bak Ghost Pepper Spicy Chicken. And this is in its pack form. Dry black Noodle. So anyways, that's it. Again, I want to say congratulations to my wife. I knew you'd get it. And yeah, like, subscribe, it helps me out quite a bit. And this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment in noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.